Hi, I'm Paul with Crandall Office Furniture, and I'm going to show you how to install a trim cover on a Steelcase Amia chair. So the first thing you want to do is to tip your chair down and locate the 4 bolts that are holding the back onto the base of the chair. With a 13mm socket, we will loosen those 4 bolts. And slide the back off, like so. Install the new cover. Slide your back on. Reinstall your 4 bolts. Like so. And then once you've tightened these 4 bolts down, your installation is complete. Thanks for watching our video. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us at crandalloffice.com.
Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to click the like and subscribe buttons below. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to us at crandalloffice.com or on our Facebook page.